Smokey and the Bandit, one of the all-time great car movies, and it certainly made this car ultra famous. It's a celebrity in its own right. Hey, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to volocars.com at any time. We have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. You'll get pricing, all the specs, photos, video, plenty of ways to contact us because we can help with the financing, the shipping, answering all your questions. We have a team of people here that will work with you to get you behind the wheel of your dream car. Let's take this Bandit for a spin. The Bandit Edition is huge. A car of any other color would be worth half the price of this one. This is a genuine Y84 Bandit car. We have documentation right from Pontiac. A lot of guys will paint their car black, but this is the real deal. Part of the package was all the gold striping, the gold on the wheels. These are a little extra wide wheel, has the extra lip here. They're beautiful, by the way. This has the WS6 handling package, which means it has four-wheel disc brakes, wider wheels, a whole assortment of stuff on the suspension to make it handle better. The car is overall in very good shape. It's straight, it's shiny, it shows well. It's loaded with options. It's got T-tops, tilt, also part of the package. See the gold anodized dash, steering wheel spokes. It's got the full rally gauges, the formula wheel, a cruise control, power locks, power windows, buckets, console. It's got the premium stereo for its time. This has a shaker hood. It's not cut up or drilled into. This motor has been upgraded to a 455. It's a 7.6 liter 455 motor. Runs real strong. It's got all the ductwork coming off the shaker hood. Looks like the alternator's new. It's a factory air-conditioned car. At one point, the parts were removed. You can get the parts through Vintage Air if you wanted to put functioning air back in there. The upholstery has been redone. Door jambs are nice. Sill plates are new. This is from Pontiac. This is a copy of the sticker listing all the options. Got a posi rear end. It has the lamp group, spoilers, the deluxe interior. So it's a loaded up car. Has a power trunk. Inside the trunk, it's carpeted. It's in real nice shape. He has the splitter exhaust tips. He didn't care for them. I like them, but that'd be your choice if you want to put those back on the car or not. Those are new. We're going to start this one up. Yeah, that's a lot healthier than the stock 400 that came in these. Its formula wheel is new leather, it's soft. Headliner's been redone. Yeah, it runs nice. There you have it. You go to volocars.com and contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting very cool collector cars on there, a few a day. And let us know how we can help put this car in your driveway. Thanks for watching.